So we got the Streamlight TLR-7 HLX. See, I thought this would pair well with this Glock 19 with the ramjet. I got a little something planned on in my head. Let's see how it comes together. All right. Mountain plate, some Combat Textiles. Yeah, yo, we got some things in the mail. We're gonna upgrade this burnt bronze Glock 19 Gen 5. Let's go. Pretty satisfied with what we got done so far. I think it came together really well. I'm not done yet, but let me know what y'all think in the comments.